Morning students. Today we are going to learn the new concept division by t. So I clearly given on the slide division by t. Below that 5 marks. Damn sure you will get 5 marks. So what is division by t? What is this method? Before going to the method, what we covered up to now. In the very first class we defined what is Laplace transform of a given function f of t. It is denoted by L of f of t, and what is the definition? 0 to infinity e power of minus st into f of t dt. The result is in s, where s is a parameter. That's why L of f of t is denoted by f bar of s. And we given 8 standard formulae of Laplace transform. L of k, L of sin a t, L of cos a t, L of e power of it, L of e power of minus it, L of t power of n, L of sin h a t, L of cos h a t, like that. There are 8 standard formulae, and repeatedly we told you that you have to by heart all those 8 standard formulas. Then we went for linearity property. What linearity property says? If within the Laplace transform, if there is a constant multiple of a function, then we can take constant outside of Laplace transform. That we are did in differentiation, integration, and in Laplace transform also we are doing the same. Then we went for first shifting theorem. So Laplace transform of product of functions where one of the function is exponential, e power of at or e power of minus at. That is our first shifting theorem. And then change scale property we did, and we define unit step function. We found Laplace transform of unit step function. Based on unit step function, we given second shifting theorem and problems on second shifting theorem. Then we started the 4 properties. What are they? First linearity property, first shifting theorem, change scale property, second shifting theorem. These 4 properties we covered in the previous class. And last class we covered a very important topic. What is that? Multiplication by t power of n. Do you remember what is the concept? Multiplication of by t power of n. If it is it's a product of 2 functions, among them one is algebraic, that is t squared t cube, like that. If it is multiplied by t, then minus of derivative of f bar of s, multiplied by t square, then second derivative of f bar of s, multiplied by t cube, then third derivative of f bar of s. So this is what we learned in the previous classes. That is multiplication by t power of n in last class. That also damn surely you will get 5 marks there. Damn surely you will get 5 marks. Are you able to get it? So in this class, what we are going to learn? In this class, we are going to learn about division by t. Here also we will get 5 marks, damn sure. So let us see what is the method, and let us solve some problem also. So be patient have a patience of 45 minutes to 50 minutes. So we will continue the class up to 35 plus 10, 10 a.m. Okay, let us start division by t. What is division by t? So this is division by t. Again I am saying 5 marks question, damn surely you will get a 5 marks question. Division by t. If L of f of t is equal to f bar of s, then L of 1 by t into f of t is integration s to infinity f bar of s into ds. This is division by t. You see, L of f of t. Now L of 1 by t into f of t, that is nothing but f of t by t, that is division by t method. So if you know the Laplace transform of f of t, then we can find the Laplace transform of f of t divided by t, that is f of t by t, that is division by t method. So in multiplication, if it is multiplied by t, then what we did? We did derivative. T square, double derivative, like that. If divided by t, then we have to do integration. multiplied by t means derivative. Divided by t means integration. So what is the formula here? What is the formula here? This is the formula. L of f of t by t is equal to integration s to infinity f bar of s into ds. There, if we multiplied by t, then we did the derivative of f bar of s. Now it is divided by t, then we are doing integration of f bar of s. Note down the limits. The limits are s to infinity. So integration s to infinity f bar of s into ds. Are you able to multiplied by derivative of f bar of s, multiplied by t square, then second derivative of bar of s. Here division by t is the integration of f bar of s. Division by t square means double integration of f bar of s. That's it. So every year you will get one problem on this method, division by t. Very easy to remember. Multiplied by t. Yesterday we did derivative of f bar of s. Now it is division by t. Then you have to do integration of f bar of s. That is L of f of t by t is integration s to infinity f bar of s into ds. Are you able to get it? This is if L of f of t is equal to f bar of s, then L of f of t by t, L of f of t by t is integration s to infinity f bar of s into ds. This is division by t. You will get 5 marks, damn sure. So note down the statement, note down the rule, so that we can move on to the problems. So let us try to do more problems in the class, because you may not have a textbooks or any material with you. So let me try to cover all type of problems in this video itself, and let us give 1 or 2 homework problems, so that if you able to understand the method and able to understand, follow the solutions, that is problem solving, then you can easily do those 1 or 2 problems that I give for homework. Are able to get it? So one more time I am repeating, division by t. Today's class we are going to learn about division by t method. You will get 5 marks. Very easy, very similar to multiplication by t. Multiplication by t, if a function is multiplied by t, then we did derivative of its f bar of s. Now if it is divided by t, then we do integration of that. Make sure remember the limits are s to infinity. So this is the division by t method. What it says, if L of f of t is equal to f bar of s, then L of 1 by t into f of t, that is f of t by t, L of f of t by t is integration s to infinity f bar of s into ds. So this is the method talked down, so that we can move on to the problems. So next we do the problems. So coming 40 minutes we are going to do the problems itself. So let us solve problems one by one. So take down, yes, let us go to the problems on division by t. So remember one more time, I am giving L of f of t is equal to f bar of s, then L of f of t by t is integration s to infinity f bar of s into ds. How to identify? If it is a function by t, it is division by t. If a denominator has t, then it comes under division by t. Very easy to identify. Multiplied by t square, then it is a multiplication by t power of n. Now divided by t square, then it is a division by t. In multiplication by t we did derivatives. Now division by t we are going to do integration. Remember the limits s to infinity. Integration s to infinity f bar of s into ds. So let us go to the problem. So you see, not only the Laplace, standard Laplace formulae, we are using derivative formulae. Now we are going to use integration formulae. Many times we are using trigonometric formulae. So all formulas when you are a student of mathematics means you should had all formulas are it should be in your hand, so that you can solve problems very smoothly without any without any doubt. You can solve the problems if you know the problems very clearly. Very clarity and formulas should you have. So not only the standard 8 formulae that given I given for Laplace transforms, you should have the basics of trigonometry, basics of differentiation, formulas of integration, all those things should have to follow my class. So now let us do the problems on division by t. Make sure all the problems that we are going to cover are previously came for 5 marks in a semester end exam. So let us move to the first problem. So what is the first problem? It is find L of sin t by t. You see, by seeing the problem you can identify it. Sin t by t, division by t method. So except that division by t, what are the other terms? Other term is sin t. So take f of t is equal to sin t. It is sin t by t. What we have to find? L of sin t by t. So division by t method to take the denominator out. Other except that denominator t. What are the other terms? Look at for other terms. What are the other term here? Sin t. Take f of t is equal to sin t. Very easy. Just follow me. F of t is equal to sin t. L of sin t. What is L of sin t? You see, standard formula. We come across it standard formula. So that's why repeatedly I told you, you should by heart all standard formulas and you should remember them to do the problem. So L of sin t. What is L of sin t? Yes guys, good. It is a by s square plus s square. Now L of sin t. What is L of sin t? 1 by s square plus 1. L of sin t is 1 by s square plus 1, that is f bar of s. 1 by s square plus 1, that is f bar of s. We got f bar of s. Now L of sin t by t. L of sin t by t means you have to do integration. Division by t. It is a division by t method. Very clearly you can identify the problem. It is division by t. Multiplication by t means you are going to do derivative. Now division by t means you have to do the integration. Integration s to infinity f bar of s into ds. What is f bar of s? Integration s to infinity 1 by s square plus 1 into ds. Integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x. Yes, it is tan inverse x. In this case, it is tan inverse s from s to infinity. Upper limit minus of lower limit. Tan inverse of infinity minus tan inverse of s. Upper limit is infinity, that is tan inverse of infinity minus tan inverse of s. But what is tan 90? Tan 90 is infinity, therefore tan inverse infinity is 90, that is pi by 2. You know the radians. Pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. Pi by 2 radians is equal to 90 degrees. So tan 90 is equal to infinity. That implies tan inverse of infinity is 90. 90 minus tan inverse s. So if you remember the inverse trigonometric functions that we learnt in our first semester itself. So what is the property we have? Inverse trigonometric functions. Tan inverse s plus cot inverse s is equal to pi by 2. Tan inverse s plus cot inverse s is equal to pi by 2 you have. So what is pi by 2 minus tan inverse s is cot inverse s. Pi by 2 minus tan inverse s is cot inverse s. This is the method. You see, this is the method I erase all. You see, find L of sin t by t. By seeing the problem you can identify it is a division by t method. Are you able to get it? It is a division by t method. Yes. Now except that t, that is denominator t, take all other terms as f of t, that is f of t is sin t here, L of f of t, L of sin t is f bar of s we got. Now by division by t method, L of sin t by t is integration of f bar of s, that is integration s to infinity 1 by s square plus 1 into ds. Integration formula, tan inverse s, upper limit minus lower limit, tan inverse infinity is pi by 2. Pi by 2 minus tan inverse s. But by inverse trigonometric functions, what you have? Tan inverse s plus cot inverse s is equal to pi by 2. Tan inverse s to that side. Therefore, pi by 2 minus tan inverse s is equal to cot inverse s. So, this is our first problem on division by t, and this is a repeated question for 5 marks previously. Many times it is repeated in semester end exams for 5 marks. So, this is the first problem we covered on division by t method. So, take down so that we can go on to the next problem. Are you getting it? So, you should know the integration formulae, you should know the standard formula of Laplace transform, and you should know some trigonometry also. Here we are using inverse trigonometry. What we used here? So, if you forget it, so recall, and for you, if you are forget it, I am saying one more time. What is that? We have the property of inverse trigonometric functions. What is that? We have sin inverse plus cos inverse pi by 2, sec inverse plus cosec inverse pi by 2. Similarly, tan inverse plus cot inverse also pi by 2. Now we used that pi by 2 minus tan inverse is cot inverse s. That's what we used here. So this is our first problem. Let us go to the second problem. What is the second problem? Find L of sin 40 by t. Now down, the second problem is find L of sin 40 by t. So by seeing the problem itself, we can easily get identified that it is the problem under division by t method. Are you getting it? It is a division by t method. Why? Because it is sin 40 by t. It is, if t into sin 40, then multiplication by t method. Now sin 40 by t, it is divided by t. So this is a division by t method. Yes. Except that the denominator t, what are all other terms? The all other terms are sin 40. Take f of t is equal to sin 40. That's good. At f of t is equal to, you have to take sin 40. Now find f bar of s, that is L of f of t. What is L of f of t? That is L of sin 40. Now again you need a formula, Laplace transform formula. What is the Laplace transform formula of L of sin 80? What is L of sin 80? L of sin 80 is a by s square plus s square. L of sin 80 is a by s square plus s square. Yes. L of sin 40 is 4 by s square plus 4 square. 4 square is 16. Therefore, 4 by s square plus 16. So, we got f bar of s. So, L of sin 40, that is f bar of s. What is f bar of s, guys? 4 by s square plus 16. Yes, we got f bar of s. Now apply L of sin 40 by t, division by t. What division by t method says? You have to integration of f bar of s from s to infinity. So 4 constant, therefore 4 constant outside. Linearity property of Laplace transform says that you have to take constant outside. Here also in integration also we have the same formula, same rule. Whenever constant multiple of a function is there, we can take constant outside of integration. We can take that constant outside of differentiation. We can take that constant outside of Laplace transform. All in every concept we are the rule is same, that you have to take constant outside of integration or outside of differentiation or outside of Laplace transform. So here constant 4 outside of integration is to infinity 1 by s square plus 4 square into ds. So again here formula, integration formula. What is that? Integration of 1 by x square plus s square or s square plus x square 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Integration of 1 by s square plus x square is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. Here 4 outside, so now apply the formula for this, that is 1 by 4 tan inverse of s by 4. 4 and 4 cancel here. Upper limit minus of lower limit. So at place of s, upper limit you have to put infinity. tan inverse infinity divided by 4. Infinity divided by any finite number, again infinity. So it is tan inverse of infinity minus lower limit s. At place of s, you have to again put s, that is tan inverse of s by 4. So upper limit minus of lower limit. What is that? Tan inverse of infinity minus tan inverse of s by 4. Tan inverse of infinity minus tan inverse of s by 4. Tan 90. What is tan 90? Tan 90 is infinity. Tan 90 infinity means tan to that side. Tan inverse infinity is 90 degrees. 90 degrees can be written as pi by 2. Pi radians 180 degrees. Pi by 2 radians 90 degrees. So tan inverse infinity is 90, that is pi by 2 minus tan inverse s by 4. Again what we are using in first problem itself, I told you the identity of inverse trigonometric functions. What it says, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. That is pi by 2 minus tan inverse x is cot inverse x. Here pi by 2 minus tan inverse s by 4 is cot inverse s by 4. That is our answer. L of sin 40 by t is cot inverse of s by 4. You see, by seeing the problem, first of all you have to identify the method. T into sin 40. Then we are go for multiplication by t method, obviously. Now sin 40 by t, then you should go for division by t method. If it is e power of 80 into sin 40, then you should go for first shifting theorem. Are you getting? If it is 5 into sin 40, then you should go for linearity property, constant outside. So depending on the given problem, you have to choose the method. Whether it is linearity property problem or first shifting problem or chain scale property or second shifting theorem or multiplication by t or division by t. So you have to choose the method and solve. So first of all you have to identify the method in which. So first of all you need to identify the problem in which method we have to solve. Here sin 40 by t, clearly it is division by t method. So multiplication by t means you have to do derivative of f bar of s, and division by t means you have to do integration of f bar of s. So remember, for your clarity, for you to remember, I am repeatedly saying multiplication by t means you have to do derivative of f bar of s. Division by t, then you have to do integration of f bar of s. Very easy to remember. To make you remember, I am repeatedly telling, very easy. Multiplied by t, then derivative. Divided by t, then integration. And be careful to take care about limits. It is s to infinity. To remember, the limits are s to infinity. So this is the second problem we covered on division by t, that is L of sin 40 by t. So a couple of formulas, integration formula we are using. Integration of 1 by 1 plus x square tan inverse s. Integration of 1 by a square plus x square, it is 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. So you have to remember the integration formula is also standard formula s. So this is the second problem we covered. Let us move to the next problem. Yes, third problem. First of all you have to do the third, then let us go to the fourth. So what the third problem says, find L of 1 minus e power of t by t. Again see here, it is by seeing the problem you have to identify the method. 1 minus e power of t divided by t, division by t method. Very easy. Except that denominator t, what are the other terms? The other terms are 1 minus e power of t. So what is f of t here? 1 minus e power of t. So what is f bar of s? L of 1 minus e power of t. Again the standard formula, use of standard formula. L of 1 by s. L of e power of a t. L of e power of a t is 1 by s minus a. L of e power of t is 1 by s minus 1. This is f bar of s. So what is f bar of s? We got f bar of s is 1 by s minus 1 by s minus 1. That is our f bar of s. Now applied the method 1 minus e power of t by t. L of Laplace transform of 1 minus e power of t by t division by t, that is you have to do integration of a power of s. What is a power of s? 1 by s minus 1 by s minus 1, integration s to infinity 1 by s minus 1 by s minus 1 into ds. This integration of 1 by x. Again use of formula, you see integration of 1 by x is log x. So 1 by s is log s minus 1 by s minus 1, integration is log s minus 1. Again now use logarithmic formula, log x minus log y, log x by y. Log s minus log s minus 1 is log s by s minus 1, upper limit minus of lower limit. So if we apply upper limit, log of s at place of s you have to write infinity by s minus 1, s place of s you have to write infinity. So infinity by infinity, undetermined. So the which is causing infinity by infinity? The term s, numerator and denominator causing infinity by infinity. So you have to remove that s. So take s common in denominator. What will you get? Log s by s common. S common, s into 1 minus 1 by s and s cancel. Now apply upper limit minus of lower limit. Log of 1 by 1 minus 1 by s. 1 by s means 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity is 0. Minus log of 1 by 1 minus 1 by s. Log 1 value. Log 1 value. What is log 1 value? 0. 0 minus, take LCM, 1 by s minus 1 by s. If it is comes up, so log of s by s minus 1. So minus is there. Log x by y is log x minus log y. If it is minus, then log y minus log x. Log y minus log x means log y by x. So if minus of log x by y implies it is log y by x. Numerator becomes denominator. Denominator becomes numerator if it is minus. So what is answer? Log of s minus 1 by s. Log of s minus 1 by s. Are you getting? So it is a differ from the first two problems. Here what you are using, integration of 1 by x. Integration of 1 by x is log. Previously we used integration of 1 by 1 plus x square tan inverse x. Integration of 1 by a square plus x square, 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Now integration of 1 by x log x plus c. So what is the thing that here is this is the step you have to know. If you apply upper limit, the numerator is infinity, denominator also infinity, log of infinity by infinity is undetermined. So that's why you have to change it. Which is causing infinity by infinity? The s in numerator and denominator causing the infinity by infinity. So take s common in denominator, cancel that s term in numerator and denominator, so that we can come out of this undetermined form. Are getting? So this is the step, the new one you got in the third problem. What we got here is very similarly we can identify the problem. We use a simple integration formula, that is integration of 1 by x is log x. But here if you apply upper limit, you are getting infinity by infinity. To avoid this, take s common, because s is the term which is causing infinity by infinity. So take s common and cancel in numerator and denominator to avoid this indeterminate form. Are you getting? So this is my third problem. So let us move on to the next problem. Says, what is the time left, guys? Yes, so another 20 minutes. So let us try to cover more problems. Let us move on to the fourth problem. So find L of 1 minus cos t by t. Identify it. Yes, division by t, because denominator t. What are the other terms? 1 minus cos t. So what is f of t? 1 minus cos t. What is f bar of s? L of 1 minus cos t. What is L of 1? 1 by s. L of cos t, s by s square plus 1. So you have to remember the formula. What is the formula you have to remember here? L of k, k by s. L of cos a t is s by s square plus s square. Therefore, L of 1 is 1 by s, and L of cos a t is s by s square plus s square. Now division by t method, L of 1 minus cos t by t, that is integration of f bar of s, integration s to infinity 1 by s minus s by s square plus 1 into ds. So denominator, derivative of denominator is 2s, but you are having only s, multiplied and divide by 2. Integration s to infinity 1 by s minus 1 by 2 into 2s by s square plus 1 into ds. Integration of 1 by s is log x, 1 by 2 constant outside. Integration of 2s by s square plus 1. What is the formula again? One more new integration formula we are using here. Integration of f dash x by f of x, numerator derivative and denominator function. In denominator we have a function and its derivative in numerator, that is integration of f dash x by f of x is log of f of x. So same formula we are using, it is log of s square plus 1. So log s minus 1 by 2 into log of s square plus 1 upper limit minus of lower limit. So let us move to the next slide. We are unable to cover in a one slide. Let us go to the next slide. This is log of s by half is there, 1 by 2 into n into x to the n into log x. N into log x is log x to the power of n. So log s by square root of s square plus 1 upper limit minus of lower limit. So if you apply infinity, then you will get infinity by infinity term. As in previous third problem we did. Take s common. Here s square you have to take because under root is there. Take s square common outside of root, that is it becomes s. S and s cancel, then upper limit minus of lower limit. Upper limit is 1 log 1 minus log 1 by square root of s square plus 1 by s square. Log 1 is 0. It is square root of s square is s. So what will get? Log s by log of s by square root of s square plus 1. If it is minus is there, minus of here it is minus is there, minus of log x by y. Minus of log x by is log y by x, reverse. So log square root of s square plus 1 by s. Are you able to get it? So as of previous problem, that is a third problem, if you apply upper limit here, infinity by infinity you will get undetermined form. So take infinity, that s causes infinity. So take that s common and cancel so that you can avoid that undetermined form. Then you can simplify this. That's it guys. So this is my problem. Fourth problem, L of 1 minus cos t by t. That's what we did here. Now in 2 slides we are able to complete the fourth problem. So let us move to the next problem quickly. This is our fifth problem. Find L of cos 4t into sin 2t by t. Again, identify the problem. It is division by t because denominator is t here. Cos 4t by sin 2t. Cos 4t into sin 2t by t means it is clearly we can identify the problem is from division by t method. And all these are previous question guys. Remember, all these are previous questions for 5 marks. They are previously came in final exam, semester end exam. Be careful. Now, except that a division by t, that is denominator t, what are the other term? The other term is cos 4t into sin 2t. Take f of t is equal to cos 4t into sin 2t. Now, L of cos 4t into sin 2t. We didn't have the formula for this. We have a formula for what we are having, formula for L of sin 80. We have a formula for L of cos 80, but we didn't have the formula for L of cos 80 into sin 80. No, cos 80 into sin BT. No. So what to do here? You have to multiply and divide with 2. Why? Because 2 cos 40 sin 2t, it is of the form 2 cos A sin B. 2 cos A sin B. This can be converted into sums. 2 cos A sin B. 2 cos A sin B is sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. So what is A here? A is 40 and B is 2t. 40 plus 2t is 60. 40 minus 2t is 2t. So that is 1 by 2 into L of sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Sin A plus B is sin 60 minus sin A minus B is sin 2t. So half into L of sin 60 minus sin 2t. Half into L of sin 60 minus sin 2t. What is L of sin 80? You see, standard formula is again they are coming across. L of sin 80 is A by S square plus S square. Now L of sin 60 is 6 by S square plus 6 square. L of sin 2t is 2 by S square plus 2 square. Apply in division method. Division means you have to do integration. Here 6 constant outside, 2 constant outside of integration. Integration of s to infinity 1 by s square plus 6 square. Integration of s to infinity 1 by s square plus 2 square. In both the cases only the same formula, integration of 1 by x square plus s square. What is that formula? 1 by a tan inverse s by a. 1 by a tan inverse s by a. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, you will get 3. Now apply the formula 1 by 6 tan inverse of s to infinity, that is upper s by 6, that is s to infinity. Now here 1 by 2 into 2, 2 cancel, you get apply the formula 1 by 2 into tan inverse s by 2 from s to infinity. Upper limit minus of lower limit. Upper limit is infinity. In infinity by any finite number, it may be 6 or it may be 2. Infinity by 6, it is infinity. So tan inverse of infinity. What is tan inverse of infinity? In first problem, first two problems we learn. Tan inverse of infinity is pi by 2. So it is pi by 2 minus tan inverse x and pi by 2 minus tan inverse s by 2. Upper limit minus of lower limit. So in first two problems only, I repeatedly told you what is that? Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Therefore, pi by 2 minus tan inverse x is cot inverse x. But here plus pi by 2 minus pi by 2 cancel, minus into minus plus. Therefore tan inverse s by 2 minus tan inverse s by 6. So answer is 1 by 2 into tan inverse of s by 2 minus tan inverse of s by 6. So this is the problem we covered. Fifth problem we covered. Next let us go to the sixth problem. Find L of sin 3t into cos t by t. Again identify the problem. It is division by t method because denominator is t, except denominator t. What are the other terms? Sin 3t into cos t. So we don't have the formula of L of sin 80 cos bt. So multiplied and divide with 2. So it will be 2 sin 3t cos t, that is 2 sin a cos b. What is the formula? 2 sin a cos b, sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Sin A is 3t and b is t. 3t plus 2 is 4t and minus is 2t. So L of sin 4t plus sin 2t. Very similar to the previous problems. So L of sin 80 formula, a by s square plus a square. Apply that, you are going to get, that is L of sin 3t to cos t by t is equal to, apply in division by t, that is integration constants outside of integration. Now 1 by s square plus a square is 1 by a tan inverse of s by a. Apply upper limit minus of lower limit. Pi by 2 minus tan inverse s by pi by 2 minus tan inverse s by 2. In previous question here minus, but here having plus here. So 90 minus pi by 2 minus tan inverse is cot inverse. This is cot inverse. 90 minus tan inverse is cot inverse. So final answer is 1 by 2 into cot inverse of s by 4 plus cot inverse of s by 2. So what is the change here is this. What is the change here? Very similar to the previous question. There 2 cos A sin B, here 2 sin A cos B. So there sin A plus B minus sin A minus B, here sin A plus B plus sin A plus B. A minus B, that's it. Plus here comes. And here pi by 2 minus tan inverse is cot inverse. Pi by 2 minus tan inverse is cot inverse. So this is our final answer. 1 by 2 into cot inverse of s by 4 plus cot inverse of s by 2. Are you getting, guys? Very similar to the previous question. That's why I did less explanation in this problem, because very similar. You can see the fifth problem is L of cos 4t into sin 2t by t. 2 cos A sin B formula, here you will get minus, that's it. And here sin 3t into cos t by t. 2 sin A cos B formula, sin A plus B plus sin A minus B formula, that's it. Nothing more than that. Very easy. So very similar to the fifth problem, but this is also a previous question. I selected only the previous question to solve in this video lesson, because these are the problems coming repeatedly in the examinations. So practice these problems, then only let us go for homework. Are you getting? So what is the time left? Another 10 minutes like that. So let us, 10 minutes means, can we cover one more problem, guys? As I think we can cover one more. So let us take one more problem. We covered 6 problems on division by t. Now let us go to the 7th problem on division by t. So the 7th problem is find L of e power of minus t into sin t by t. Identify it as division by t, denominator having t, therefore it is division by t method, except that denominator t. What are the other terms? Other term is e power of minus t into sin t. So what is our f of t? That is e power of minus sin t is our e power of minus t into sin t is our f of t. Now let us find f bar of s, that is L of e power of minus t into sin t. Which method? Product of two functions, among them one is e power of minus t, means it is first shifting. If you multiply it by e power of minus at, then replace s by s plus 1. So L of sin t replace s by s plus 1 by first shifting theorem. Are you getting? So what is L of sin at? L of sin at is a by s square plus s square. L of sin t is 1 by s square plus 1. Replace s by s plus 1, that is 1 by s plus 1 whole square plus 1. Are you getting? What we are using here? We are using first shifting theorem. We are using the standard formula L of sin at, a by s square plus s square. So all the things are coming here. That's why these are the previous questions for 5 marks. Are you getting it? Yes. Now you got f bar of s. What is f bar of s? 1 by s plus 1 whole square plus 1. 1 by s plus 1 whole square plus 1. Yes. So apply the division method. L of e power of minus t sin t by t is integration of f bar of s. What is f bar of s? 1 by s plus 1 whole square plus 1. So integration s to infinity 1 by s plus 1 whole square plus 1 square. Again same formula. What is integration of s square or integration of 1 by 1 plus x square? What is integration of 1 by 1 plus x square? It is tan inverse x. Now it is tan inverse s plus 1. Upper limit minus of lower limit. So at place of s you have to put infinity. Infinity plus 1 again infinity. If you add some finite number to infinity, again add or subtract some finite number from infinity, it will be again infinity itself. So tan inverse of infinity minus tan inverse of s plus 1. What is tan inverse of infinity? In the first couple of problems we got tan 90 is infinity. That is tan inverse of infinity is 90. 90 means pi by 2 radians. S. So it is pi by 2 minus tan inverse of s plus 1. Again go to the inverse trigonometric identity. What it says? Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is pi by 2. Now pi by 2 minus tan inverse is cot inverse. So what is our answer? It is cot inverse of s plus 1. Cot inverse of s plus 1. So here this is the problem. What L of e power of minus t into sin t by t. This problem repeatedly many times it came in examination for 5 marks. Why? Because we are using here first shifting theorem. We are using here standard formula of Laplace transform. We are using multiplication, division by t method. We are using trigonometry, integration, and we are using inverse trigonometric. So many things we are using in this problem. That's why this question is repeatedly came for 5 marks. So with this we are able to cover the 7th problem on this. So shall we go to the next problem? No. It is almost 45 minutes up. 45 minutes up. Yes, I think so. Yes, it is almost 45 minutes we started the class. So we have no time. We have to finish it in couple of minutes now. So let us end. No, we cannot cover one more problem. So almost all types of problems we covered. All these 7 problems are previous questions and all types of problems we covered. So practice this. So first of all, read what is division by t method, then practice, solve all these 7 problems that I given in the lesson, then try to do the homework. So yes, it is a time to give a homework now. Let us go to the homework slide. So put an homework slide as homework. So don't worry, I am going to give only 1 or 2 questions homework, because you have to practice the solved questions, the solved problems that I given in the lesson, in this video lesson. So what you are going to do? You have to read what is the division by t method. Multiplication by t means you have to do derivative of a bar of s, and division by t means you have to do integration of a bar of s. For remembering, you can remember easily. That's why I am repeatedly telling multiplication by t, derivative, division by t, integration. So take care of, remember, more extra care you have to take to remember the limits. It is limit s to infinity a bar of s into ds. So for every problem you have to write the formula so that you can easily remember that formula. So we solved the 7. So you practice all those 7 problems repeatedly again and again, so that you can get a more clarity. Because what not you are using? We are using a division by t, that is integration. So integration formula are needed here. Standard Laplace transforms formula also using. Some standard integration formulas are using. We are using, and sometimes we are using trigonometric formulas, inverse trigonometric formula. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to 90 degrees. 90 means pi by 2, that is conversion of degrees into radians. Also we are using many things. So practice and remember all these simple formulas, all the standard formulas, all the logics we are using. One logic we got, what is that? Whenever you are applying upper limit infinity, you are getting infinity by infinity. Undetermined form we are getting. To avoid this indeterminate form, why we are getting an indeterminate form? Because of s. To take s common and cancel. That is a simple logic how to solve. So practice the problems so that you can able to do the homework problems. So this is the homework I am giving. First one, find L of 1 minus e power of minus 2t by t, division by t method. What is f of t? 1 minus e power of minus 2t. Apply find f bar of s and do integration from s to infinity. Second problem, find L of cos 2t minus cos 3t by t. Again by t, division by t, denominator t means it is division by t. What is other terms? Cos 2t minus cos 3t. So f of t is cos 2t minus cos 3t. Find f bar of s, that is s by s square plus 4 minus s by s square plus 9. Now do the integration from s to infinity. That's it. These are the homework problems for today. So practice the solved problems, then do the homework problems. And if you get any query, for any queries you can mail me at naresh.debate@gmail.com. Practice the solved problems, do the homework problems, and post the homework problems in our Google Classroom so that I can respond very quickly and verify them. So that's it. This is division by t method. Next class we are going to find integrals of Laplace transform and how to find integrals by using Laplace transforms in next and last class on Laplace transform tomorrow, guys. See you. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye.